this is Lauren with Irving Public Library. We're going to continue working on the song Riptide, which you can listen to on Freegal. In our last video, we worked on the intro, and now we're going to be working on the verse of the song. Luckily, it's very similar to the intro, except we're going through it 6 times. So we'll still use A minor, G, and C with our strum pattern down, down, up, up. So we'll go A minor, down, up, G, down, up, and then C twice, down, up. So I'll go through it 2 times, and then you practice consecutively 6 times. All right, here we go. Thanks for watching.